Hey everyone, welcome back to Study Studio. I hope you guys are doing well. If you guys are new to my channel, I usually make videos of crochet, also sometimes macrame too, yet I love to try different art forms. And as a cabin crew, I travel a lot, and wherever I go to a beach, I love to collect these seashells. And over the years, I collected so many of them. They are literally from all over the world and I really wanted to make something out of it. Finally, I fixed my mind in a Dreamcatcher. So let's try it out together. And please do subscribe to my channel. Keep me motivated to make new art forms. So I got two silver hoops, one bigger, one smaller. And actually I'm not buying any new products for this. I'm using whatever I have in my collection. I have some wooden beads, some pearl and golden beads, feathers and crocheted yarn. For the smaller hoop in between, I wanted to make a crocheted piece. At first, I'm just adding some golden beads to the thread and started with the process. As this video is not about the crochet pattern, I'm not focusing on sharing the same. If you guys still wanted to have it, just comment down below and I'll share the pattern with you. So in brief, I'm just making a magic ring, then a layer of double crochet, next layer of half double crochet and rest all like a net. And adding the beads in between randomly. We have to cover the whole circle. If you guys are not into crochet, just use a net or you can go with a thread to cover the circle. Also need to cover the both hoop with a thread or wool, like for a sea theme, but unfortunately I didn't have any, so I had to go with white. After that, attach the crochet piece into the hoop and you have to really stretch it. Even if you guys are using a pre-knitted net, stress that as well. And attach both the loops with each other like really tightly so that the grip will be strong. Before starting with the shells, I'm leaving 5 to 6 thread hanging for the feathers. It's totally up to you how many you really wanted. And you need a hard cover. Any cardboard or any art paper will work, preferably white, or you can paint it white. The piece has to be perfectly aligned with the shape. Use any glue, but Fevicol goes really well here. Then finally add the seashells wherever you want, however you want. I painted some of them with my nail paint, golden color, and some of with acrylic color too. So there is no rule, you can paint any of them with any color. I kept some of them blue just to keep my sea theme alive. To attach the cells, I'm using Fevicol again. Try to cover the gaps as much as you can. These tiny ones help me really well in case of the gaps. And I'm adding some pearl and golden beads in between. So this is how it looks like. Looks pretty well already. Then I'm tying the feathers along with some beads. The more feathers you can use, the more it's gonna look fuller and beautiful. So that's it. This is my final product. I hope you guys liked it too. Please comment down below and let me know how it was. See you on my next one. Bye bye.